In this lecture, we're going to talk about the importance of being honest when you're writing copy. And the truth is, honesty sells. So, I'm just going to use an example from your life. Let's say that you have two friends, and I'm sure you've experienced this. And one of the friends is really trustworthy. You really trust this friend. And there's another friend who always lies. He flakes out on you. So, if they tell you the same thing, whose words mean more? The words from the friend you really trust, or the words from someone that you know is always lying? And the answer, as you can imagine, is the trusted friend. You're going to value everything they say way more. And you might notice that the friends that seem to lie all the time always make these bold claims about how they're going to help you or who knows what. But you just know that they're lying, so you don't take anything they say seriously. So that's why when you're writing copy, trust is your most valuable asset. Because if your reader or customer doesn't trust you, then the words that you say are pointless. And customers can always tell when you're being honest. So let's play a quick game. I'm going to show you two different short pitches and tell me which one you think is more effective. So here's the first one. I have a new video course that will make you $10,000 in less than 3 months. It does not matter what experience you have had in the past. After taking this course, you will make thousands of dollars. So that's the first pitch. Now here's the second pitch. I'm going to be honest with you. After taking this course, you will not automatically make money. People in the past that have taken this course have made over $10,000, but it takes time and effort. So that's number 2. So which one do you think is more effective? Now, I'm guessing that you're thinking winner is number 2. And that's because the second claim, even though it doesn't promise as much, it is much more believable. I actually believe that what this person is saying is true. And just like I mentioned before, if a customer does not trust you, then what you say is pointless. And going back to that first claim, I have a new video course that will make you $10,000 in less than 3 months. And it does not matter what experience you have had in the past. After taking this course, you'll make thousands of dollars. There's no way that's possible. So therefore, the first claim is not believable because no one can promise that kind of success. So that's a dramatic example. But even if it's less dramatic, if you're lying, then your customer can just sense it.